Let's talk about real-time analytics through the lens of a racetrack. So picture a car speeding around a circuit, cameras track it, data flows instantly to the screens, speed, position and performance are monitored and reported in real time. Now imagine this track is your factory floor. The car is a product in motion and every movement, every change is captured and analysed. But let's say there's no car. What if we, in this example, use a mug? The system detects it, flags the anomaly that it's not what we're looking for, and updates the report. Unexpected items, therefore, are logged, investigated, and then resolved pretty instantly. So let's say a human enters the scene. The system responds again, detects its presence, triggers safety protocols, adjusts your workflows, there's no delays, no guesswork, just instant insight. From high-speed vehicles to everyday objects to people, real-time analytics transforms manufacturing completely. It's not just about the data that you get, it's about awareness, precision, and even control. Because when everything is visible, everything is then manageable.